Here I have OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So firstly you should open contacts. So like when you already have some contacts on your device, you won't get this menu. You won't see this import contacts from SIM card button. Like you can just tap on it and import contacts immediately, but you won't have this menu if you already have some contacts. So what you will have to do is to tap on three dots, go to manage contacts, then SIM card contacts, tap three dots, export to device. Then you can select which contacts you want to export. You can select them one by one or just select them all here and tap export. And now you have these three contacts here on your device. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.